In almost every country of the world, your race determines how long and how well you live.
Dr. David R. Williams gave the presentation. He is a professor at the Harvard School of Public Health and is also a professor of African and African American Studies and of Sociology at Harvard University. He's conducted several studies on how the stress of everyday life for people of different ethnic backgrounds can affect their overall health and well-being.
Stress of racism, being treated unfairly or badly because of your race, is a source of stress that adversely affects health. The ways in which healthcare providers treat you, your access to resources in society that allow you to be successful, all of these things shape not only your level of income and education, but also shape your health.
Williams says that today, your postal code can be a more accurate prediction of your health than your genetic code. Just by living in certain neighborhoods, people's health can be affected without them even knowing it. These stresses and living conditions can transcend into health problems like obesity, infant mortality, and overall life expectancy. These community matters are important to Michelle Patrick, the African Nova Scotian Advisory Committee Program Coordinator at Dalhousie University.
As part of my professional role, as well as the board member, we're always looking at ways to get the community engaged in talking about issues that are really important in the community. So the connection between racism and health and getting the community involved in that.
And people like Philomi Jones are glad to have this information.
It was really informative. The stats are staggering. I almost have walked out feeling empowered somewhat because now we have the knowledge of the numbers and the stats, but it's also it's worrisome.
Luckily, Dr. Williams says there's a lot we can do, but it's up to these communities to strive for change. This includes changes in housing, education, and overall quality of living in these communities. He will now return to Harvard to explore solutions to these issues and continue educating his students. Alec Cook, Waterfront TV, Dartmouth.